Okay, starting off CNC Group Break 3924 with 1213 Series 1 and 1314 Select Inner. Good luck. We start off with a base pack. Get that out of the way. Okay, we have 2 base packs. MVP for the Anaheim Ducks, Teemu Selanne. We have a Young Guns for the Arizona Coyotes, Michael Stone. Canvas Young Guns for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Carter Ashton. MVP for the Rangers, Marian Gaborik. We have an exclusive, number 33 of 100 for the St. Louis Blues, Patrick Berglund. Silver Skates for the Bruins, CloutsnChara, and a 1970s for the Buffalo Sabres, Gilbert Perreault. Young Guns for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Andrew Drudry. Canvas for the Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne. Young Guns for the Minnesota Wild, Shea Genowith.
Why not?
I'm not.
Did you win already?
No.
So you're losing, is what you think?
I'm not a loser, I'm a winner.
Oh, loser.
We have a game jersey for the Calgary Flames, Henrik Karlsson.
And remember, everyone, number 4 is posted up, so number 4 is posted. We're on a good timing.
Young Guns for the New York Islanders, Matt Donovan.
But we got about basically an hour and a half to get 2 more filled. So tons of time to get them done. Yeah.
MVP for the Winnipeg Jets, Alexander Burmeister. Young Guns for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Ryan Hamilton. Game jersey for the Florida Panthers, Evgeny Dadonov. MVP for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. Young Guns for the Boston Bruins, Torrey Krug. Canvas for the Dallas Stars, Kari Lehtinen. Canvas for the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. skates for the New York Rangers, Marianne Gaborik, and a 1970s for the Boston Bruins, Bobby Orr.
Sounded like you were finishing that box.
Did it?
Yeah.
I did it right.
You finally did it right.
There was no music though. If you're gonna stand there, so at least do the music. Freezers for the Buffalo Sabres, Ryan Miller. And a rookie for the Ottawa Senators, Jean-Gabriel Pageau.
Jean.
No?
Sean.
I'm very bad with French names.
How are you so bad with French names?
I don't know I'm French. Rookie autograph number to 399 for the Vancouver Canucks, Nicklas Jensen.
Jean.
Don't dwell on it. Hi, Leafs. Fire on ice for the Colorado Avalanche, Calvin Pickard. And a prism for the Arizona Coyotes, Oliver Ekman-Larsson. Rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Chad Ruedel.
I got the same one.
Did you?
That's funny.
We have a Youth Explosion autograph for the Toronto Edmonton Oilers, Brian Hamilton. I should have known that.
Yeah. Gigantic.
It's gigantic. It's because we talked in the middle. Prism rookie for the Carolina Hurricanes, Nicholas Blanchard.